happen. So today, not today, 2 days ago, we spun the wheel and rolled the Dark Deception. The only reason it didn't get played was because the download was going to take too fucking long and it was going to absolutely demolish my stream because my internet is borderline sucky. Anyways, we're going to do this. We're going to do some wheel spinning, and then maybe later we will finally fixed our issues last night. We'll be playing some Raft. So we're going to head straight into chapter 1. Now, pretty much every one of these games I've never played before, so you're seeing my first time reaction for like almost all of them. That or what I've seen of them, the odd one I've actually watched right the way through, and some of them I've kind of listened to in the background but not actually paid attention to, so they will kick me in the ass. My faith now lies in darkness. Oh, what is happening? Beers?
Oh, another one. How nice to have some company again.
This is not how I anticipated this to be starting.
Let's have a look at you. You disappoint me, love. You really do.
Ouch.
So many fears. So many desires. I thought you'd be bigger. Don't look
What does that
so
mean?
confused. I know everything you've got hidden in that brain of yours.
I'm so confused.
I know all the terrible things you've done. So many good intentions laid to waste. I can see the regret eating away at your soul.
Shut the fuck up. You don't know me.
But now your time has come, and here you are, to grovel and beg.
I don't even know who you are.
You can't go back. Only death awaits you there now.
Yay! Sounds better than here.
Got love. You've got potential. I see it in you, and I can help change your fate. But if you want a new life, you're going to have to suffer quite a bit to get it.
I don't know if she's trying to cure the mommy issues or what. Is this not supposed to be a loading screen now? Okay. The ballroom. Dun dun
Pieces
dun.
to a powerful
Oh,
ring
oh.
are hidden in nightmares behind each of these portals.
Great!
Find them and bring them to me, and you'll get your wish. Fail, and you'll find there are fates far worse than death awaiting you here.
Ma'am, yes ma'am. What the fuck is that? Oh my god. Not the monkeys. Okay, I have a sprint. I have no sort of crouch. I just want to get my bearings. And look around this place a little bit. Can I jump off into the abyss? Nope. Why is that never an option? E? E. No. Thumpy, get the fuck out of it. Alright, we're going into the monkeys.
Clock's ticking.
Shut the fuck up. I'm doing my best. With what little nerves I have. We're going into the monkeys. Get the monkeys. I know people speedrun this game, but that's about the extent of it that I understand. Monkey business. Spooky. Why is the lighting change? At least it got brighter. Because, let's be honest, I can't...
Listen closely. See those floating bits of crystal?
I do, yes ma'am.
Soul shards. Fragments of human spirit scattered throughout the halls of this little maze.
Oh, I'm gonna get
Each
fucked.
crystal is a remnant of one who has met their end here. Gather them all.
Cool.
And the first ring piece will be yours.
Yay.
One more thing. You're not alone. There are monsters in here, and they're looking for you. Here,
What are you going on about in the background there?
detect each shard's location. It was left by the last guest.
I can't hear you, so...
Clever girl. Just not a very fast runner. Enough instruction. Break those boards and let's get this party started.
Can the monkey break the boards too? Alright, well let's just... How much stamina do you think I have? And should I be keeping this open the whole time? What from? There's literally, I don't even know what I'm running from. That I'm running into it.
It helps if you don't let them stab you in the face.
What did that say? There are a lot of hotel doors? I thought this was supposed to show me where the bad dudes are. Oh, I'm gonna suck ass at this. Do I have infinite stamina? What's the point of walking? Oh god! What does this do? Nope. Nothing.
You're making it pretty easy to root for them.
Donkeys can always see you. Don't stop running. Well, I kinda got that. I just wanted to know what the doors were about. Oh, wait! Okay, so I still have all my progress, so, just gonna fucking book it. That was the original plan? I'm good at that. Which way? Which? Oh, that way. Oh, I'm so good at this game, guys. So I'm not a... So I... Last checkpoint? God, this is gonna... Frick me in the bum. Okay, should I have this up? Does this make a difference if I have that up to having it down? Alright. I'm not sure which direction I want to be going in. Oh! Damn, dude.
By monkey.
Oh, man!
Dead already?
Oh.
It's okay. Nobody liked you anyway.
He definitely picks, like, an optimal route type thing, though. Oh, what? I'm so confused. I'm doing the last checkpoint thing, I don't care. Okay. Uh-oh. I'm gonna die. Yep.
Death by monkey.
The stun orb has an audio timer. The stun orb? No, it would take me forever to try to actually, like, get some semblance of good at this game. We're gonna regret that. Yep.
That's what you get for monkeying around.
There's 2 of them. Minimum. There's at least 2. See, if there was one, I could manage him and the maze no problem, but you're putting me with at least 2, if not more. Murder monkeys. Trying to manage where they are and I am at the same time. I don't know if I chose the right way. Yes, I did. But they both... Uh-oh, I'm fucked. They all know where you are at this all the time, though. Oh, it's a lamp! I wanna roll. So pretty much try to have better eyes. Oh, I should have gone the other way. I should have gone up. I'm not gonna try the doors. It just feels like a waste of time, to be honest. I'm fucked. I feel like if you catch a game like this when it is new, then people are gladly gonna want to sit there and just watch you play and play and play to try to like get it. You know, like obviously most people might have started first time by going back on checkpoints just to finish the game, you know, but Monkey Man. Oh yeah. Okay, that's that corner done out. Where are you? Behind me somewhere. The rest of them have got to be out this way, yeah. I don't feel good about going this way. Oh, the notification scared me. Doing a loop like that is not safe. It's whatever, it's fine. Uh-oh. Oh, it came in from the side. Ah. Okay, can I get that strip after? Monkey Man. Not cool, bro. Oh, man! Not the other monkey! Oh. Do they, like, reset their placement? Oh my god, I don't know how I'm doing this. I'm getting really close to these monkeys. Like, really, really close. Chloe doesn't like the murder monkeys. Start with this loop or I'll forget it. Oh my god. Every time. You tell me to run when I'm being mauled by monkeys? Oh god. That's gonna hurt my brain, but I wanna know what's behind the door. Okay. No, I can do the middle mouse thing. That definitely makes my life a little easier. Am I even in the right direction? No, okay, well there's some over here anyway, so. Six more. Oh, he's gonna bop me from the side. I can feel it now. Yeah, they're there.
You've gathered all of the soul shards. The ring piece is now exposed, and the monsters will go into you.
Well, that was long-lived.
All of the soul shards.
Oh, it starts me in the middle. Oh god.
The piece is now exposed.
They spawn in the same place?
Monsters will go into
I think it actually...
Get to the ring piece before Mr. Monkey finds you.
Oh, I just did a fucking loop! I'm fucked. Oddly enough, this is less panicking in some ways. Oh, I'm fucked. Nope. Oh, I missed it! I missed it! I fucking missed it! Wait, where'd the other entrance go? Because there are two entrances. Hold on. What? Once you collect all the shards, the ring bearer will deactivate and they must return to the ring altar to obtain the ring piece. As they return to the altar, the murder monkeys goes into a frenzy where their eyes turn red, whatever. They despawn and instead 3 chef monkeys appear from the kitchen. One chases the player while the other 2 guard the ring piece. Okay, so it's part of the game. I was kind of figured. I was just... When they spot the player, they will leave their respective posts and chase after them, leaving the ring altar open for the player to get the ring piece once the... Yeah, so I do have to somehow lead them away. Both of them. I need to figure out where the closest, loop is. Nope, he's still there. What the fuck?
It helps if
He
you
wasn't there! Go, 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 go. Seriously, last time, the first time I looked in that hallway, he wasn't there. See, now it's open. Nope, now it's closed. I don't really know, dudes. You know, the next time I like die and I have to click last checkpoint again, I will find a route that I just run. Cause there's two there. I think oh, they changed their path. He changed his path. He should be behind me now. Just gonna, yeah, it doesn't work. He doesn't come with us. Only one of them is coming with me. I need a better route. Okay. Oh, okay, that didn't work. Yeah, I found that one out. I haven't really used it yet. I'm trying to figure out how the fuck I'm supposed to beat this. Because of the two monkeys that guard the portal. So I have to kind of like get them away, but they return back to their posts really fast. I'm trying my best. Oh my fuck. Okay. Oh, there. No, there's two of them. I like how she tells me to run as I die there. Okay, wait. So I had two of them on me. I just need to pick up the third one. Right? Right. He is up my ass. I can feel it. Oh, he's not now. Shit. Oh my god, wait. Hold on. Oh, I guess I did it.
Shoot, he knows you're here now. You need to escape.
In the elevator?
Hurry.
Bro, I'm trying. Okay. Cool. I suppose I don't need that.
Run.
I'm sprinting. A series of horror games, and I kind of spin the wheel for it, and this was on the list of Steam games. So, I escaped. That didn't take me as bad. You know what? I can live with a B. That's okay. I can live with a B rank. I only had to reset my checkpoint 3 times. I feel like I did more than that. That doesn't feel right, but... Anyways, I did that.
You made it.
Somehow, some way.
See, you met my friend.
I could never speedrun that game. Your friend did not like me, Shoddy. The eyeball? Your friend is an eyeball? The only thing I ever tried to speedrun was Super Mario Galaxy 2, and that wasn't so bad, but I kept running into issues every time, so I never did a full speedrun in the end. I also didn't really want to be sat here for 15 hours trying to do it. So that was Chapter 1 of Dark Deception. I hope you guys had an amazing time watching my suffering. If you guys want to see any more from this game, just head on down to the comments below, and until then, I hope you all have an amazing day, and I will see you guys later. See ya!